Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and I have just received my November Happie Scrappie kit. I have my sticker kit and my planner A5 kit, just as usual. And can I just say, I'm really happy I got this gorgeous envelope. This is my favorite, probably patterned paper design that Happie Scrappie has ever made. I love this one so much, with the pink and the bows. It's so pretty. It's the first time I've gotten this one, so it's kind of a big deal to me. So yeah, as usual, I'm just gonna start with a sticker kit, since this is the smaller. As you can see, it's quite a lot thinner also compared to the planner kits. So yeah, and there's some extra awesome little freebies here, I think. Or maybe like extras because I'm a subscriber to 2 kits. So I do remember seeing these. So this is the multiple subscriber freebie. This is the Deco Sheet to the mini kit that is included in the planner kit here. Has some really cozy, wintry items. And then, oh my gosh! Okay, so there's not 1 but 2 of these super gorgeous hollow glitter foiled washi strips, as you can see. So there's, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. There's different sizes. I think there's 2 different sizes. So wow, that's so pretty. I think I'm holding it upside down. So yeah, these are really gorgeous. Super pretty, and I got 2. That's awesome. So I can use these quite a lot then. That's really great. You don't get washi in, like an actual washi roll in your Happie Scrappie kit. So I think this is a really good like substitute if you love to use washi and you love the look of washi. So that's really awesome. Okay, so this is really pretty. I love this envelope design as well. So, oh my goodness. Oh, everything is so sparkly. So sparkly. Okay, so here we have the smaller sticker sheets. We have the super tiny mini kit that is super portable. We have the Deco half boxes here. I love this sparkles. It's so pretty. Then we have some Deco headers and some glitter headers. Also have the mini checklists, some quarter boxes, and let's see, water trackers, and some little functionals here. So yeah, it's a little super tiny kit. Because I'm subscribed to both the sticker kit and planner kit, I technically get 3 forms of sticker kits. I get the super tiny one, I get this formatted one, and I also get the regular size. So it's a lot of stickers. Okay, so there's also these included. I love these bows. These were included last month too, but in, you know, that month's color scheme. And oh my gosh, look at those. I love these hollow foiled mugs for the date covers, or I guess date dots. Super pretty. Usually we get this sheet in the planner kit as well, so hopefully I get 2 of those because this is so pretty. And oh yay! Okay, oh my gosh. Yay! We got full box and half box overlays, and these are gorgeous hollow foiled, as you can see. Nourish Your Soul, Hot Cocoa, and Fuzzy Socks. I love that. Oh, this is so pretty. I've never used full box overlays before, but I've seen a lot of people doing it recently, and I would love to try it out. So happy about that. Okay, so here we have the big sticker kit. So wow, this new glitter overlay that they have is so sparkly. It's amazing. It's a little hard to see sometimes the design underneath, but it depends how you look at it. But this is so pretty. And then we have the half boxes. We have some washi and some, oh, I love those checklists, the snowflakes. And we have day covers and some weekend banners, some super cute kind of post-it boxes as well, and some quarter boxes. Ooh, let's see, they're kind of stuck together here. Ooh, this is really pretty and cute deco, and some functionals too. Here we have headers, and yeah, that was the kit. Super pretty. Oh, look at all these stickers I've gotten already, guys. That's amazing. Alright, so let's see what's in the A5 planner kit. This is always my most favorite one because it just is included the most. It's also the pricier one. But none of these are pricey by any means. They're very affordable. Oh my gosh, there's even more. So I not get 2, I get actually 4. Wow, that's amazing. 4 of these washi strips. sticker sheets. That's awesome. Wow, I might have to give away some of these because 4 is it's very generous, but I might not end up using all of it. Oh, I love this design. I love the colors, and this seal is so cute too. Okay, so let's get it open. All right. Ooh. Oh, okay. So here is the pen of the month. Oh, it really matches the theme. Is this an erasable pen? M&G Erase by Friction. Yes, I love friction pens because they're just so usable to me. So is this like a gel? Usually these kits come with like 0.5 gel. Yes, it actually says here 0.5 millimeter. That is awesome. I love that. I bet this pen is really good too. And it's actually friction on 2 sides, which is really good depending on how you like to use your pens. Sometimes you just want to do this, and sometimes maybe you want to use this as an eraser. So yeah, that is really awesome. I do love the pens that come in the Happie Scrappie kits. They're usually really, really good. And oh my gosh, look at this patch. That's so cute. I've seen actually a bunch of people having this one in their winter setups, and I'm probably gonna do the same because this little polar bear guy is just adorable. Then we have the mini sticker kit once again. We have some little polar bear tabs. We have... Here's the first sticker sheet, which are some both functional and decorative quarter boxes and half boxes. And here, oh, okay, so here is maybe where you can have the full box overlays. This is the full boxes. Here's some more functionals. You've seen all of these before, but this is just a smaller format. Ooh, these are really pretty. These are tabs with the bows, super cute. I love the snowflakes. And yes, we got the mugs again. So pretty. We also have some really pretty headers here, which are foiled. Gorgeous. And yay, we got another one. Oh, that's so awesome. I do like to have doubles because that means I don't have to be afraid of using it because I always have a backup, but I know I should get better with using the stuff I have just because, I mean, the stuff you buy you should use. Oh, I also got another one of these, which is so pretty. That's so awesome. So let's see what is in the rest here. This should be the papers and the inserts. So there's a lot of blue in this kit. I feel like this kit would go really well with the denim kit that was released. I think it was the March kit, the denim blues. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is the first pattern paper. It's a gorgeous light blue one with that glitter hollow foil again. And let's see. That's a really nice knitted kind of sweater pattern. That's so pretty. It's almost like a light pink one, I would say. A very, very like nudish pink. And we also have, I mean, it's the same. I like that you get 2 of each. Oh, this vellum is so pretty. This might be the one I'm most excited about actually because it's little houses and they're so cute. And I am definitely gonna put this one in my winter setup. And I'm probably gonna put a lot of this in my winter setup actually. This is kind of the same pattern as the first pattern paper, but this time on a vellum in foiling. This is the second pattern paper. We have the houses on this kind of, I don't know, almost like a plaid fabric background. And that's the inside, really cute snow bunny. And that's the same one again. And here we have the inserts. But first we have a bunch of day covers or days of the week. You probably get 4, maybe even 5 sets of days, which is really good. So let's see here. And I always thought that these were dashboards, but they're actually supposed to be, actually these are thicker than last month. These are supposed to be insert like covers. So usually if you have a TN cover, it naturally comes with a cover. But when you have ring bound planner, you don't have, you know, a cover. But these are supposed to be that. But I mean, you could very easily just put it in and use as a dashboard, and you get 2, which is really nice. And let's see, then we have, let's see this type of inserts we have this month. Ooh, these are kind of different. So it looks like you can have like I think these are dailies. You can use them for like to-do list and then some notes or something. These are not dot grid. Usually it is dot grid somehow. I don't use these as like my weekly plans, but I do sometimes use the Happie Scrappie ones for like projects or other stuff. I feel like these are really versatile. You can use them for kind of anything. And here is, ooh, these are really pretty. These are the dot grid note inserts. I love the hot cocoa, and that's the back side of that. It's really pretty too. So yeah, guys, that was the November Bundle Up Happie Scrappie kit for 2018. So cute and super wintry too. Some of it is gonna go straight into my winter setup, and some of it might become a setup of its own, or we'll see, but I'll definitely use the stickers for a future winter spread because that would just, I mean, it's perfect really. So yeah, but now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now!